PDT, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern India, Coachella, Thermal, La Quinta, Mecca, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Flash flood warning for the following counties: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 5 p.m. PDT. At 1:51 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Hourly rainfall rates in Palm Desert have exceeded 0.75 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indio, northeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, Eastern Desert Hot Springs, Rancho Mirage, North Palm Springs, and Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert. Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Apple and El Dorado Burn Scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6 p.m. PDT. At 2:58 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over the Apple and El Dorado Burn Scar. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding in and around the Apple and El Dorado Burn Scar. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Apple and El Dorado Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Redlands, Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Mount San Gorgonio, Omar, Banning, Highway 38 between Yucaipa and Onyx Summit, Mountain Home Village, Angeles Oaks, and Conway Mesa. Flood advisory for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. Flood advisory now in effect until 5:45 p.m. PDT this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: San Bernardino, until 5:45 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 1:30 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Victorville, Hesperia, Apple Valley, I-15 between Victorville and Barstow, Highway 2 between Felon and Wrightwood, Lucerne Valley, Adelanto, El Mirage, Highway 138 between I-15 and Highway 2 and Pinyon Hills. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The current time is 4:33 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Flood advisory for the following counties: Riverside, California. Flood advisory now in effect until 5:20 p.m. PDT this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: Riverside, until 5:20 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding. Flash flood warning for the following counties: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has extended the flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 6:45 p.m. PDT. At 4:33 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Indio, Coachella, Thermal, La Quinta, Mecca, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Flash flood warning for the following county: Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has extended the flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 7 p.m. PDT. At 4:34 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indio, northeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, Eastern Desert Hot Springs, Rancho Mirage, North Palm Springs, and Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert. Flood advisory for the following county: Riverside, California. Flood advisory now in effect until 5:20 p.m. PDT this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following county: Riverside, until 5:20 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 3:16 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Indio, Palm Springs, Coachella, Anza, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Idlewild, Pine Cove, Highway 243 between Manning and Idlewild, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, and Eastern Beaumont. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood advisory for the following county: San Bernardino, California. Flood advisory now in effect until 6 p.m. PDT this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following county: San Bernardino, until 6 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 3:49 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include San Bernardino, Fontana, Rialto, Hesperia, Redwood, Lake Arrowhead, I-15 through the Cajon Pass, Highway 2 between Pelham and Redwood, Northern Rancho Cucamonga, and Upland. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood advisory for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. Flood advisory in effect until 6:05 p.m. PDT this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected in a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino, until 6:05 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 4:05 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anaheim, Santa Ana, Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Temecula, Huntington Beach, Garden Grove in Ontario. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood advisory for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. Flood advisory now in effect until 6:21 p.m. PDT this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following counties, Riverside and San Bernardino, until 6:21 p.m. PDT. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Water over roadways. At 4:15 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Redlands, Yucaipa, northwestern Palm Springs, Big Bear City, Onyx Summit, Mount San Gorgonio, Forest Falls, Highway 243 between Banning and Idlewild, eastern Lucerne Valley and Highland. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flash flood warning for the following county, Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has extended the flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 6:45 p.m. PDT. At 4:33 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Indio, Coachella, Thermal, La Quinta, Mecca, and Santa Rosa Mountain. Flash flood warning for the following county, Riverside, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has extended the flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California until 7 p.m. PDT. At 4:34 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Indio, northeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Mount San Jacinto State Park, Cathedral City, Palm Desert, Eastern Desert Hot Springs, Rancho Mirage, North Palm Springs, and Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert. Hurricane and local statement for the following areas in California, Apple and Lucerne Valleys, Coachella Valley, Orange County Coastal, Orange County Inland, Riverside County Mountains, San Bernardino and Riverside County Valleys, the Inland Empire, San Bernardino County Mountains, San Diego County Coastal Areas, San Diego County Deserts, San Diego County Mountains, San Diego County Valleys, San Gorgonio Pass near Banning and Santa Ana Mountains and foothills. Catastrophic and life-threatening flooding likely over Baja California and the southwestern U/South. Through Monday's situation overview. Hurricane Hilary is expected to reach Southern California at tropical storm strength today. Flash flooding can be expected across the whole region, with rare and dangerous flooding expected across the mountains and deserts. Strong, tropical storm force winds are expected today. These are the 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, heavy rain and fog were reported with a visibility of 3 miles. Temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 71, and the relative humidity 93%. Wind was east at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.51 inches and falling. In Ontario, rain and fog were reported with a visibility of 2 miles. Temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 73, and the relative humidity 100%. Wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.51 inches and falling. In San Bernardino, rain was falling with a visibility of 3 miles. Temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 66, and the relative humidity 78%. Wind was calm. Pressure was 29.58 inches and rising. It was 73 at Temecula, 73 at Murrieta, 74 at Paris, and 71 at Moreno Valley. At March Field, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 72. At Chino Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 75. At Corona Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 74. For the Los Angeles Basin, it was 73 at Lake Forest and 75 at Huntington Beach. At Long Beach, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 75. At Los Angeles Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 72. At Los Angeles City Center, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 73. At Burbank, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 71. At John Wayne Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 76. At Fullerton, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 74. In San Diego, rain and fog were reported with a visibility of 4 miles. Temperature was 72 degrees. For the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains, at the Big Bear City Airport, heavy rain was falling with a visibility of 2.5 miles. Temperature was 57 degrees, dew point 57, and the relative humidity 100%. Wind was east at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 23. Pressure was 29.85 inches and falling. It was 57 at Big Bear City South, 58 at Baldwin Lake, and 61 at Angeles Oaks. In the northern desert, at 29 Palms, rain was falling with a temperature of 73. It was 67 at Hesperia. At Needles, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 83. At Las Vegas, Nevada, it was cloudy with a temperature of 75. At Palmdale, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 65. At Lancaster, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 66. At Edwards Air Force Base, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 66. And Denver and Blythe, haze was reported with a temperature of 88. At Phoenix, Arizona, it was cloudy with a temperature of 99. At Palm Springs, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 75. Flash flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. PDT this evening for East Central San Bernardino County. At 3:33 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.25 and 0.75 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. CHP reports heavy flooding pushing debris across the roadway east of Joshua Tree across State Route 62 from Cactus Jack to Godwin. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Coincided Palms, the Upper Valley, 29 Palms Base, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley. Flash flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. PDT this evening for South Central Inyo and Western San Bernardino counties. At 3:34 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. CHP reports heavy flooding pushing debris across the roadway east of Joshua Tree across State Route 62 from Cactus Jack to Godwin. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include 29 Palms, Barstow, Fort Irwin, Daggett, Yucca Valley, 29 Palms Base, Newberry Springs, Aspen Canyon Campground, Ludlow, Powell Canyon Campground, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Joshua Tree, Amboy, 29 Palms Airport, Trona, Homewood Canyon Valley Wells, the Center, Linwood and Searles Valley. Flash flood warning for the following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7 p.m. PDT. At 4 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Debris flows on the U.S. fire-burning scar are ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mitchell Caverns, Chima, Kelso, York Fire-Burning Scar, Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Needles, Black Canyon Equestrian Campground, Hole in the Wall Campground, Midwills Campground, Essex, Nixon and Event Roads, Highway 95 and I-40, Mountain Pass and Mojave Valley. Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 6 p.m. PDT. At 2:58 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated the heavy rain falling over the Appleton El Dorado Burn Scar. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other